Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to Airbrush Garage. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. So if any of you ever watched my videos before, you know that I not only do instructional videos on airbrushing, but I also do a lot of shop accessories and add-ons for the airbrush shop. And if you watch any of my other videos on the Cricut, you'll know that I utilize the Cricut machine a lot as far as making stencils and just doing a lot of different techniques on the Cricut for airbrushing. So today I'm going to be adding to my accessory line with an art storage rack by Art Bin, and it costs around $12 from my local Hobby Lobby. It stores up to 12 vinyl rolls. It says it's easy snap fit assembly and includes fasteners to mount on the wall, which we're going to be mounting on the wall today. So I'm going to be showing you today. We'll load it up with some vinyl, check out the construction of it, give you a little bit of a review on it. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Consider subscribing, hit that bell so you get future notifications. Thumbs up will be great. Couple comments, good or bad, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and helps this channel grow. Don't forget to check out all my Amazon affiliate links down below for the products I use in this video and all my other videos. And with that, let's get started. All right, so now I got the pieces out of the plastic. You have two main pieces. You're gonna have a top and a base, okay, right here. You got your instructions right here. Basically, what you're going to do is you have, with your main piece, you have an outside, which is a smooth side, and then you have an inside, which has tabs sticking up. Each one of these tabs is a tab sticking down, a tab sticking up at 3 locations. And you have an identical piece right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this together, where this tab that is facing up is going to slide under. This tab that is facing down is going to slide over so that they go into the slots, into these slots right here, just like that. Okay, once that happens, we're going to fold it up. Once we do that, we're going to stand it up. And again, you have an identical top and an identical bottom. The top, as the bottom also, is just going to snap on. You just push it on like so. You can hear it snap in place. Okay, you're going to do the same for this side. Pretty simple. So now we're going to go over to the wall. We're going to mount this on the wall, load it up with some vinyl. All right, so come over to the wall. I position it where I want it. I have myself a little level here, just so I can get it relatively straight. So when I'm looking at it on the wall, it doesn't look real crooked. It's pretty good. I'm going to take out my marker. All right, now I got my marks on my wall. As per the instructions, it takes a 3/16 inch drill bit for the drywall anchors. Take my plastic anchors, a little insulation there, pop them in the holes. Grab a little mallet, tap them flush with the wall. So it comes with 4 Phillips head screws, And what you're going to do is you're going to screw these in, but not all the way. Screw them in, leave it about 1/8 to 1/4 inch to the wall. Again, don't screw them all the way down tight. And the reason for this is because the way this works is your screw is going to go into the slot here where the big hole is, and it's going to push up into the slot. So it's going to lock it on the wall so you can't pull it off. So you're going to want to stick your screws through that. Now I could tell already I got to come out a little bit more. So let's back that out to about 1/2 inch. Once you got it on, you got it in, you want to push down, okay, and that pushes it up into the slots. Once you're there, now you can tighten. And again, don't tighten down real hard, just snug it. I've had this vinyl laying in bags for the longest time. So this is going to be a nice addition to my shop. Well, there you have it. That's going to be a really good addition to my shop. Now I'm going to know what I have, because you know how many times I've been out in Hobby Lobby and think, well, I can't remember what I have because it's all in a bag. Now I got a good visual of everything I have, so I can keep a good stock. Well, there you have it. Another shop accessory. You know, it's really the small things, the simple things, the inexpensive things that really, you know, add to your shop and really make your life a lot easier on a daily basis. So with that, hope you liked this video. If you did, again, please consider subscribing. You guys know the drill. Hit that bell, hit those links. It all really helps. Comments, good or bad. With that, we'll see you in the next video.